I'm Eddie and this is my dad, and together we make up of a small business called Fix and Salvage, and this was our premises in where? Well, not me working, this is where you was working.
Well, I was working comfortably until you come along with this idea. Hey.
So Dad's been working here for the past, we say 3-4 years?
Yeah.
And if you have a look around, the amount of cars we're doing now, we have definitely outgrown it, haven't we?
I think so, yeah.
We've got a little storage cupboard in here. So that was the little storage space that we had, just engines. We used to keep a couple of panels in there. But like I say, with me coming along and doing it now as well, there ain't enough space for both of us, is there? No. We can't both work on the same car in here.
Definitely not.
And as you guys seen on the YouTube, all throughout winter, I was working in the garage block in minus temperatures, while Dad had a nice warm, cosy workshop.
Oh, yeah.
So I have actually been looking for a unit now for, I'd say, probably the past 2 years, and none have come up. There's been none locally. There was one that I was a day away from signing the lease, and I heard about another workshop that was coming up. So I never signed that lease for it, but I've been looking for ages for a premises. I just couldn't find it, could I?
No, but you found one now.
But I have found one.
Bit closer.
Bit closer. Right, so this is the final goodbye. Final time we've got to hand the keys. For me, yeah, and for you.
I'm not sure if I want to do this, see. So I was quite happy here on my own.
Well, so you're not anymore. You're not anymore. We need bigger and we need better. And the retirement age, well, I think they're putting it up to what, 66, 67 now. No. So you've got at least another 6-7 years.
I don't think I have actually. I think you'd be on your own. Hey, everybody got to put something in the description that should I retire and leave him on his own, I think.
No, I can't. He can't.
This is the time. This is the time.
Not for the next 5 years at least.
No, I think I'll be well gone by then. I think I'll be dead listening to you going on.
Well, maybe the stress of the new workshop, that might push you over.
Yeah, I think it might be. So, hey, we've got to say goodbye and
yeah, we've got to say goodbye to it. This is literally the final time that we're going to be in it, guys. And for me, I'm not sad at all. I'm not sad at all.
You wouldn't be.
Are you sad? Little bit.
Sad. We've got another one and I've got to listen to you all day long.
There you go, we've got to take that off the wall, so that's what we've got to take off.
Oh yeah, that was the first bit of paintwork you done, wasn't it?
First bit of paintwork I done, and I'm already miles ahead of him when it comes to the paintwork.
Yeah, they all know. So
yeah, this is the last time, ain't it?
Yeah.
Last time.
Right, come on then.
Let's go and have a look at the new workshop then. So this is the new workshop. We have taken this over, and I can't actually quite believe it, in all fairness. It's very big. Well, especially compared to what we was used to, won't it?
Yeah.
I mean, you'll probably be able to tell that it's our workshop anyway by all the courses and Fiat 500s.
We've got a few there.
That we've already bought from Copart. But come in and have a look. Like I say, retirement age definitely got to be 66, 67 now, isn't it?
Retirement age is now.
So this whole workshop's ours. We have already been in here for 3 weeks. So I do apologise, guys, that we haven't managed to get a video out soon enough yet. But from moving all the stuff to the other place and trying to get this sorted, we've just had to get it done, haven't we?
Yeah, I've grown another year older.
Well, hopefully not 61, because then that means you're close to retirement then. Yeah. But we've already put a 4-poster up. We've got the tools in. We've got a spray booth in. And yeah, we've got quite a lot in already, haven't we?
Quite a lot more room, yeah.
Yeah, but we'll start at the office. So this is my main office. This is whereabouts I'm going to be selling the cars from. And all you guys in the comments need to actually side with me on this one, because this is going to be a nice area for the customers to come in, view the cars, and then go from there. And no, stay there. He keeps putting all of his tools on the rack in there.
It's good.
Like the fuse boxes. Customers don't want to be coming in and seeing stuff like that, do they?
Some of them do.
They buy a fuse box.
Yeah. Fuse box. Hey.
So we've. This is going to be a nice little office room, and we'll take you to the toilets.
Oh.
Not sure.
That's a bit weird.
Take out for dinner first.
Yeah.
So if we've got a boys and the girls' toilets, and we've got a washing machine in there for all of our dirty rags. Boiler room in there. This workshop's also got gas in it. So in the future, if we wanted to, we could put a gas oven in. Nice little kitchen area where you'll find Dad making lots of cups of teas. I'm sure you will. I've already got him some cheese and onion pastry.
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar. I'll cut that bit out. And one thing that I've been going through is all of Dad's old stuff, because he used to just throw it into his toolboxes and then we go from there. But now I've proper gone through it. Ratchet straps, look, coil packs, side trims to hold the bumpers to the wings, loads of different stuff, bushes, rubber grommets, toe knives, and I've got to go through loads and loads and loads. But I suppose it's sort of a blessing in disguise really when you are moving, because it gives you a chance to have a good clear up, don't it?
Yeah.
You don't sound very enthusiastic.
No, I'm not. Definitely not. All you guys out there, remember, when you have children, make sure you have them in your 20s and 30s, not in your 40s, especially twins.
Look, I didn't have you, you had me, all right? So, you know, it's not my fault.
That was too many Fosters, and I blame your mum. I blame your mum for giving me too many Fosters. She enticed me.
So this is the booth that we've got in at the minute. As you can see, it fits a car in it, and
well, it's a good job, really, because that's what you got to do, paint it, isn't it? It'd be difficult if it did.
Well, there's enough. Well, some people might say there's not really enough space in here, but for what we're painting for, we're only going to be painting sort of rear quarters, wings, bumpers, and stuff like that. We're not going to be going around painting the whole sides of a car, are we? So for what we want it for, it's perfect, ain't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just in the process of sorting that out in a minute. And hopefully, if I sell enough salvage cars, one day I'll be able to put a gas oven in here.
Yeah.
But that's a day in the future. We won't walk before we can run just yet. Nice little tool rack that we've got up already. Finally, we have a vise. Finally. Vise. We've got all our little electric tools.
Are you going to take any advice from it?
It's a pretty poor joke there, guys, isn't it?
No.
He looks well happy with himself. All the different little clips, loads of stuff. Yeah. Chain, we've got a little chain rack now. Scissor lift. This ain't ours. We are borrowing this from a friend because at the moment, getting the lights up and stuff like that, it makes life a lot more easier. But come and have a look at the back rooms. So this is the first storage room. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do with this yet. We haven't quite decided.
Storage?
Well,
That's what you just said.
Storage, what for?
Storage stuff.
Parts, but we've already got a little parts department. All the parts have now been taken out the loft, haven't they?
No, we still forgot for
No, yeah, we've still got a couple. We have actually still got a couple bits in the loft. But now, rather than having a loft department, we've actually got a proper parts department. We will show you that. But let's go into one of these back rooms. Well, don't look at this. Don't look at this. Walk around this. You don't want to see this. You don't want to see this. This was a bit of a bad buy, bit of a mistake buy. I'll show you that, guys. I'll show you guys that in another video. But it's a nice little space in here. We've got the airlines in there already, even all of our measuring up stuff, levels.
measuring up stuff. What are you going to do with that then?
Look, what do you use that for?
What do you mean, what do you use it for?
Well, it's
Looks like-
ain't it?
Well, yeah, but not on a car.
Didn't say on a car.
Oh. So if you're a carpenter or a chippy or a plumber, or you need that stuff.
Which neither of us are. So, yeah, it already came with the benches in the back here. So, make a nice little woodworking bench. We bought a pillar drill as well. Why we need a pillar drill, I don't know, but it was 60 quid, so we bought a pillar drill. Nice little bits of racking up here. And yeah, it is really, well, by the time we're finished with it, going to be a fully equipped salvage workshop, ain't it? All right, so we'll take you to the new offices.
Is this going to be like challenging Annika Rice?
Going to be like what?
You wouldn't know, would you?
No.
Got one room, another room in here.
Got another storage room upstairs.
I think this might be my office, so I can go sleep.
Yeah, I think I might have to put a bed in here because obviously he's getting old now, so he needs his little naps during the day. I'll put a little bed up here, a little cot, and he can have his naps. And this is the main office, really. This is the main office. We've got air conditioning, heaters, radiators. Yeah, it's going to be your office, ain't it?
What have we got to have? Why do you want two desks? You ain't going to have time to sit on them.
One for me, one for you. One for me, one for you. That's the Copart buying desk, we'll have to call that.
So it is.
And look, we can, well, if I'm buying them cars from Copart, I'll be sat here like this, bidding away. And if he's not working hard enough, then I'll have to open up that window and shout it up and go, Richard, start working! And I'll be bidding on them for me.
I think he's going to give me a heart attack already. I can't think of anything more to say. I'm so excited, everyone. He's already in the director's chair.
Director's chair, yeah. He couldn't direct his way out the car park, let alone direct anything else.
Number one, isn't it, Alf?
Nice little portrait of me that my Uncle Pete did What do you guys think in the comments? Do you think that's a...
It's a pretty good
look-alike?
picture. It's a pretty good picture, actually, because you look as confused as you normally do when you're fixing something.
Not nice, is it, guys? And finally, we've got a parts room. We have a parts room. Look at all those wings up there. What I have found is hanging stuff up. Meat hooks come in handy. Meat hooks are definitely the best things. Hanging up, stuff like that. We've got alternators down over there. So I don't know how many Fiat 500 radiators we need, but...
Yeah. You buy them when they're cheap.
Yeah, when they're cheap, we'll buy them. But we need to proper go through all this. But like I say, guys, it's been a bit of a mad rush just trying to get it all done.
Get in here.
Yeah. I mean, some of the stuff was already in here, like this bench was already in here. These were already in here, actually, which comes very handy. I mean, look at this, guys. So how many Fiat 500 hinges do you guys think we need? Ooh.
I don't think we need any of them, because they're always straighten.
Hinges after hinges after hinges, but they all straighten, didn't they? So there's no point in
having them.
There's no point in having them. Well, this is the main view from the workshop, really. Yeah. It's definitely a bit bigger, ain't it, guys? It's definitely a bit bigger. Bigger builds as well, ain't it?
Yeah, just a bit.
But a lot more content, a lot more cars, and hopefully...
We can stop doing courses and Fiat 500s.
Yeah.
Something a bit more interesting.
Yeah, I know a lot of you guys that do say in the comments, you know, the Fiats and the Corsa are getting boring, but they have, well, in all honesty, they have enabled us to get to this position at the moment. So, from this position onwards, it will be...
See some more courses and Fiat 500s.
Yeah, yeah, we've got to pay the rent, so you will still be seeing them, but no, we will definitely be taking a bigger gamble on some bigger pieces of salvage, yeah, getting Dad's reaction, because... Yeah, I think you don't really like going anywhere other than courses and Fiats, do you?
I'm getting too old for all this. We
have actually bought a BMW 3 Series recently, haven't we?
Yeah.
But you guys won't be seeing that because that is Numpty downstairs car, ain't it? No, look at him sat down there enjoying his samosa. That was Alfie's car that we bought from Copart.
Actually, I think it was quite... He wanted that car, and I think it's quite one of the better ones. Well, not one of the better ones, but it's a nice car.
That's not what he was saying. He's going, oh, why are you buying a BMW for? Get to stay with a Corsa. The Corsas are good.
Well, you could do a video on that now. So number one son's done decided to branch out and buy a BMW. So this is it out here. He's bought this from Copart. And one owner, and let's have a look.
No,
see what's
one previous owner.
Oh, one previous owner. And all that was wrong with it
was that
is that.
A wing and a door. So that is why it won't be featuring on the channel, because that is probably, when you put it down into YouTube, it's about a 5-minute repair. So I think you're going to get wing colour for it.
Probably take him all year.
But I think you're going to get wing colour for it, and that'll be that project done.
Yeah, it's quite a nice car though.
But
good deal there, isn't ya?
But we have already gone out and started buying
more Fiat 500 Corsas.
More Fiat 500s and more Corsas. But I promise, guys, give us a month, give us a month or two when we're in here properly, and we will be branching out to something different. But you got to do what sells. And look what they wrote this off for. Look, cracked back bumper and a dent in the tailgate. It's done 38,000 miles. So that is why I do stick with the Fiats and the Corsas, because they're just easy cars to work on. Right, so we want to say a massive thank you to all the viewers at home, everybody who's supported the videos, viewed them, liked them, commented, shared. If it wasn't for you guys, then honestly, we wouldn't be able to be in this position right now. And everybody who's bought a car for me, again, a massive thank you to you guys, because, well, you guys are the reason why we've been able to do this. So here's to, well, hopefully a very long time in here, and a lot more cars, a lot more content, and a lot more stress. I want to say a massive, massive thank you to every single one of you who watch these videos, because even you just watching it now has such a massive effect on my life. That's not even an exaggeration, guys. It is literally my life, because if you'd have told me if you'd told me 2 years ago, even a year ago, that I'd be in this workshop right now, I would not believe you at all. This has literally changed my life, because I'll be here 24/7, every hour of the day, fixing the cars, doing the videos, and it's literally changed everything for me. And of course, I am only 20. I'm 20, I've got my own workshop with my dad, and the facilities that this workshop's got, I don't think I really need anything else. It's got lots of parking outside. The workshop space is very, very usable. I'm going to get a 2-poster, a scissor lift, and really, guys, we're going to take this channel to the next level. But here is to a lot of stress, a lot of memories hopefully, and a lot of projects that we're going to be taking on here. Thank you all for watching. Again, I really, really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Well, you're standing over there. Like, you know what I mean?
Well, you're standing over there.
No, yeah, but you're.
If he was over here, then you would be standing over
then. I'll come stand over here, and we'll have the back of the wall.
So I've got to go over there.
Yeah,
You're
so
over
you've
there.
actually got a bit of a background.
But why don't you tell me what you want me to do? Like, here we are in the new workshop. Just hope he's going to get out of bed and do a little bit more than he normally does. Hey guys, because we know what he's like. Last time I was talking about it, he was off on holiday, wasn't he?